We have two teams going in two different directions in this competition. There's no stopping the Lady Eagles as they will march into the next round. TIP, however, Technological Institute of the Philippines, hoping that there will be a merry mix-up towards the end and a playoff will ensue for the last spot. Three other teams are involved there.
Sadly, ang mahirap lang dito for TIP, it's gonna be a tough assignment today going up against the undefeated Ateneo de Manila University.
Check out the team standings. You'll understand where everybody is.
Eto ngayon. So you can see, actually here in this conference, Ateneo is the only team left with an unblemished record of 4-0. At yung sinasabi nga ni Sev earlier, TIP is andito talaga, they're currently in a three-way tie with DLSUD, San Sebastian College. Lahat sila at 1-3 win-loss record. That's why it's very important for them to play well in their remaining games. Yun nga lang, sinasabi natin, matindi ang kalaban nila ngayong araw na ito.
On the other hand, Ateneo coming out of a 5-set game wherein there were scary moments, losing the first two sets to a very tough and very gritty College of St. Benil that has been unlucky in two big games against USD and Ateneo. Ateneo, of course, will be bannered by their team captain, none other than Eliza Valdez.
But along with her, nandyan yung iba pa.
Somebody that is ahead, for instance, with a team standings or a ranking of 4-0, is if you catch them off guard and maybe a bit complacent today, maybe good things will happen for you.
That's right. At ang importante para sa TIP ay talagang sabayan ang laro nitong Lady Eagles para sa hapong ito.
Okay, huwag na natin patagalin. Handaan na natin po ang bakbakan ng Ateneo Lady Eagles laban sa Lady Engineers and Technological Institute of the Philippines. Dito po sa Shakey's V-League, in the place where it all started.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Josie Del Rosario, international referee. Second referee, Giovanni Vargas, national referee. And now let's meet the starters for Ateneo de Manila University. At number 7, Giselle Tan. At number 14, Bea De Leon. At number 15, Joanna Maraginot. At number 16, Amy Ahomiro. At number 18, Kim Gakiliana. And team captain number 2, Eliza Valdez. Libero number 8, Ella De Jesus. Head coach, Anasorn Tai Bundit. And now the starters for the Technological Institute of the Philippines. At number 3, Eunice Mabayo. At number 4, Rochelle Fidel. At number 5, Michelle De La Cruz. At number 17, Captain Michelle Verano. At number 9, guest player Hesime Acuña. At number 11, Eliza Layug. And the libero is number 10, Faye Sarmiento. Head coach is Mr. Boy Paril. Ladies and gentlemen, match number 27 in the elimination round between Ateneo de Manila University and the Technological Institute of the Philippines.
The point here is you want to collect as many wins regardless of your situation, whether you qualify for the next round or not, because they will be carried over into the next round.
That's right. And itong ang Ateneo, we've been talking about them and their team standings at this point in time. Remains undefeated, unblemished record pa rin itong Ateneo at this point. TIP on the other hand in a three-way tie at the bottom with a 1-3 win-loss record. So importante makakuha ng panalo itong TIP.
I've covered TIP, one game that they had. Acuña, a former player of on your screens right now, Rizal Technological University, yun ang guest player nila. Samantala, first serve of the game, and we are underway. TIP first attack. Time goes to Amy Ahomiro.
you're up against a team like Ateneo, you have to have scrappy defense.
Walang bolang palalampasin
Wala
dito.
dapat, oo. So if you can start at the net, kung hindi man kaya sa net, dapat matibay ang depensa sa likod.
The attack. Here's Eliza, and it goes through. Dayog unable to handle the hot volleyball. Eliza had to score 32 points, and Ateneo's come from behind win against Benilde. You know, Benilde is a team in transition. That team will get better and better. They had a tough game against USC, tough game against Ateneo, but that'll just make them stronger in the future. Acuna, Pan, and Ateneo bungles the situation. PIP not to be outdone of their own numbers in the venue today. 2-1. Saka if you're the underdog team, alam mo, isang week ka na rin nagpe-prepare for this. Amomiro with a good rejection, roofing that spike. It's 3-1 Ateneo.
You gotta give it your all. Actually, dapat, kapag ang kalaban mo walang talo, tapangan mo lang din. Walang mawala sa'yo eh, di ba? And,
saka yung mas celebrated, mas fancied yung team compared sa inyo. Labanan nyo. Tan, that's set for Eliza, hits the net, unable to get it over. 4 touches by the Lady Eagles. Referee Del Rosario, the lady in the tower today, international referee. Don't forget, if it's one family and pizza, it's got to be shaky.
it's refreshing to see officials, female, officials.
Ako ang dream ko. I have nothing against the guys, but I am all for more women coaches in the V-League. In the meantime, Mariana, Babayo rather. Babayo recycles, gets it through. Ella de Jesus, stretched by Acuna. Rugged action. Valdez, short.
PIP probably didn't expect na sa umpisa ng laro, kaya nilang makasabay.
Yeah, that's the key statement there. Serve in play. Eliza. Easily handled by Layog and the back row. Acuna. De Leon missed it. Acuna. Maraginot. Eliza Valdez. It is outside and TIP has the lead.
Underdogs normally. Ito naman cheer ng fans din,
And even Jerry Yee of UP is watching along the side somewhere in the corner.
Nakatawa si Coach. Minsan na nakatawa si Coach Jerry.
Nahuli ko rin. Eliza. The dump. Into the corner. Bea de Leon.
Alam mo, pag ang kalaban mo Ateneo, bukod dun sa laro ng Ateneo na kailangan mong ma-overcome, pati yung fans. Dahil iba yung ingay di ba?
There's Jerry.
Coach Jerry. Nakatawa si Coach Jerry.
Darog. And they had a tough game. They lost earlier today, but I think they played very well. They lost to Arellano in 4. But it was a fighting loss. Meron talo na, I don't...
Okay lang kasi lumaban ka.
That's all you want. Valdez a dink. I sense as Bea de Leon is a woman who does not face herself. All out. And I sense that Eliza might be facing herself.
And obviously, from all the banners that you see around the arena, talagang... marami ang fans.
Acuna uncorks high and out. 6 and 5. And alam mo, kwento rin ni Eliza sa akin. Alam mo, when she waits, the fans wait for her outside. Especially the little children. She can't resist na bababa siya sa timba. Lalapitan niya talaga.
Oo, pag mga little kids.
Tagal daw nag-aantayan. She likes to have pictures with her. In the meantime, neatly done. Alam mo, itong TIP, competitive din ito eh. Ano ito? Sasabihin nila, okay, Ateneo, you're the back-to-back UAP champion, but, we'll give you a fight here.
And they are here in the first set. Bago nangyari ang service error na yan, nakakasabay itong TIP. Again, could be a matter of Ateneo pacing themselves, but ang importante dyan, i-take advantage yun ng TIP.
Ang talo ng TIP ay sa Benilde, sa San Sebastian, at saka sa UST. Acuña. Yes, neatly done. Tied at 7. Elo de Jesus is the libero of Ateneo, as we remind you about Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. On target, Maraguinot. And we will have our first time out, and we will be back with a report by Miyaka. On GMA News TV, we're with you live 12:45 every Saturday and Sunday, and from Monday to Thursday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Miyaka Lim is with us, and here is her report.
Maraming salamat, Seb. Coming into this game, itong Ateneo dedicated 2 days of practice para lang sa blocking. Sabi nila, this is the perfect game to have a block party dahil alam nilang itong TIP has legit scorers and also to prepare them for the next round. Sabi nga nila, Coach Parley Tupas kanina, missing this party is Pauline Gaston, who is out for a sprained ankle, and also itong si Risa Sato missing this game because of an illness. Balik sa inyo.
That report right on Q7, block party.
Block party. Alam mo, blocking is so essential in the game, and of course, Amy Acumiro is one of the vital pegs of that blocking party. In the meantime, the serve is this Kim Gakiliana. Acuña has been playing well. Ella elevates. And Maraguinot's stab is out. Alam mo, if you play Ateneo also, you should not also just play percentage volleyball. Take a few chances. Go down the line, go cross-court, go combination. Di ba? Lagi na lang, it can't be all just safe. Need some chances. You need to gamble a little. Acuña battling. Verano and Acuña punches the Ateneo defense.
Maganda rin ang gising ng TIP. Maganda ang umpisa nila ngayong first set.
Yeah, ultra-fast spike, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Ano to, morning person ito si Acuña.
Ganda ang umpisa.
Ganda gising, may ribbon pa sa ulo no? It crawls over the net. And Eliza finds the corner.